Aspect ist so, ja, aber wir machen auch für kleine. In der Arbeit.
Okay, so now is our free time and we have 3 hours. We need to eat our lunch.
It's because it's with Copenhagen, that's why.
Yeah.
It's like touristy.
How much
It's
is
okay,
that?
but I'm a tourist, so I am allowed to overspend.
Yes. Okay. That's
Huh?
exactly
How much is that?
100 Danish krones.
10 pounds.
So this is my bread and this is my chicken soup and this is my watermelon smoothie.
For me, it tastes like strawberry. This is your store. Get into
All of them?
these pink ones.
Okay.
Wait, this one's super cute. I like elf.
Oh my gosh, I miss some bubble tea.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so cute. What is that inside? Thank you. We're buying this as a matching top.
It's just really sweet.
Yeah. It's like cherry.
Big. Oh my god.
I think 36 is fine for me.
I should take 36 because it's very big.
Oh yeah, 21. Fine.
Serena's score is even higher than me. Today dinner is apple pie and Danish meatball.
I'll give it more pie.
The meatball is good. It's not bad. It's not bad. She didn't even try it.
Stop.
Yay.
Sculptural twice. Oh, yeah, I can definitely see it. It's somewhere at the side. Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Hi. Today we're walking in the forest. Let's go. Okay, amazing. Wow.
I'm not excited. I am, but I'm not excited because look at this thing. It's scary. It's not gonna. It doesn't have a good.
No, it's so cool. Imagine we take. Wow. How do you say fast in Russian?
Bistro.
Bistro.
It's not bistro. It's b.
B.
It's b.
B.
You have u.
E.
Yeah. It's
Bistro.
bistro.
Bistro. Bistro.
Bistro.
Bistro.
Da.
Da. Bistro.
Da bistro.
We just finished our forest walking and right now we're eating our lunch. Yay! We have the sandwiches. It's the same from yesterday and the day before yesterday.
We're lying. Guys, we're literally vegan. Open up. Wow.
Jump, jump, jump!
Yeah.
Hold my hand. No, come. No, come, hold my hand. 1, 2, 3, come. Now we're going forward to the second playground. This is the biggest climbing net in Denmark. Cutie! It's pretty fun. I like it. This is my second one. It's actually really good. Probably just because I'm hungry.
There you go.
Baddies! That's tummy. Ass fat, slam thick, no tummy.
Wait.
Wait, are they actually? They're pretty promising, not gonna lie. If I am my fruit, guys. It's yummy.
Really?
It might be.
Can I get this? Oh, professional? Yeah. Okay. Oh, can I get?
I'm gonna ask him for either his number or snap. You don't ask for.
So like now we're in Denmark and we're in a Japanese restaurant in Denmark, and then all the chefs here speak Mandarin. They don't speak Japanese. It's so weird.
You guys act like other cultures.
Thank you.
So,
I guess can I cop a super California?
Please, this is what I do with my dad. Please, leave me alone. What's wrong with you? Every move. Can I?
Yeah. It's a big bite.
This bun is too good. I'm like just checking my steps, and yesterday we walked for 16,373 steps. And like today we walked for 8,495 steps because we have more time on the coach. But like yesterday we basically walked for everything.
Yeah, because we didn't use the bus.
Yeah.
Yesterday.